Dear learner, today we are going to discuss about types of service. First, table service is a style of food service where the dinner sits at the table and is served by a waiter waitress. This is the oldest form of service which is preferred by those busy people who wish to relax and eat meals leisurely. First, Filipino service. This is used by many Filipinos. It is a table service without a waiter waitress. All courses are served on the table with a serving spoon for each course. Dinner remains seated throughout the meal and are expected to serve themselves. Next, tray service. It is a style of service that does not make use of the usual dining table but instead dishes and table appointments are arranged in trays which are brought to the dinner. This is the style used is serving the patients in hospitals or sending meals for the room service. Next, blue plated service. This is the type of table service is used when the group is small, the table is small and the area for dining is small. The plates are prepared with a whole main courses such as meat, vegetables and other food which are placed in a plate divided by ridges. Next, family or compromise service. This type is best used when the dinners are not more than 8. This is a compromise between the Russian and English style. That is, some foods are served on individual dishes directly from the kitchen and some foods are served on the table. Next, American style. This is less expensive and speedy. One waiter can serve many guests. The foods are prepared and arranged on trays and carried by the waiter to the dining room on a large tray which is placed on the stand. The plates of food are served from the guest right with the waiter's right hand. Next, Russian service or formal service. This is used in luxury restaurants and hotels. The foods are prepared and arranged in the kitchen by the chef, then brought by the waiter to the dining room. Food service is done by the guest starting at the head of the table going in a counter clockwise direction around the table. Next, French service. This employs 2 waiters or waiter for each station. The chef de rank or chief of rank is the principal waiter. He takes the order, serves all drinks and finishes the preparation of the food at the table. He assists by the commis de rank or the waiter or waitress who take the order to the kitchen. This style is used in luxury dining room. Next, English service. This is similar to family style. All foods are served on the table by the host or host. A waiter places the plates for the guest and passes the accompaniments for the course. Next, self-services. This style is offered in cafeteria and food service establishments offering buffet, smorgasbord service, window machines and a drive-in restaurant. The 2 widely used forms are this is cafeteria service. This style is caters to a large number of customers at the reasonable price. The customers choose from the food on the display at the counter, place the food on the tray and carry them to the dining table Usually, the foods are prepared in advance and are ready to be served. Next, buffet service. This is the most used style of table service. It is most practical service for guest meal if the number of guests exceeds 6. Next, counter service. It is the most economical food service. It appeals to the people in Hungary because of the speedy service, convenience, low prices, and the absence of tips. You can usually see your order is cooked and prepared. A common form of counter service here. First, snack bar. This is offered in a large industrial food service to meet the needs of employees who bring their own food or for lunch but want supplementary desserts and beverages. Next, takeout counter. Many food service establishments have found it possible to increase the volume of food to be offered to dinners by offering takeout meals which includes proper packaging of food. Next, types of restaurant. Restaurants are classified based on the style of food service used and food specialist offered. First, salad bar. This is a table or bar with the salad ingredients where dinner make their own salad. The salads may be dinner, entire meal, or may be an accompaniment to one of regular luncheons. Next, drive-in restaurant. This is a restaurant that serves patrons who are in their automobiles. Next, smorgasbord restaurant or eat all you can. This operates in a buffet style of food service. There is no limit to the number of times a customer may be replenish his plate. Next, salad, sandwich and soup restaurant. This features salad, sandwiches and soups and caters to clerical and professional workers in the office building in the cities. Next, steam table. This is provided with a steam table, a counter equipment which is known for being a hot food counter or container equipped with a thermomestic device that can be set at required temperatures for various types of foods. Waiting on the table. Thank you very much for watching.